Little Ferry to Sparta Junction, let's take a look at two Susquehanna short lines in the New York City metropolitan area. The Staten Island Railway is an industrial switching road which joined the D.O. system in 1985. The railroad, which was constructed by the B&O and later absorbed into the Chessie system, begins at St. George on Staten Island. The portion from St. George to Tottenville, near the Verrazano Bridge, is operated as a rapid transit line by the New York City Transit Authority. The railroad crosses the Arthur Kill into New Jersey on the world's longest vertical lift drawbridge, an impressive 558-foot-long span referred to as AK. Cars are interchanged with Conrail at Cranford, New Jersey. The usual motive power on the Staten Island Railway is former C&O SW9 switcher number 5091, now Susquehanna number 120. Nearby is the 5-mile-long Rahway Valley Railroad, D.O.'s latest acquisition. Track extends from Conrail's former CNJ interchange at Roselle to Springfield. Two GE 70-tonners were included when D.O. bought the little railroad and are the usual motive power on the line. A visit to the property in April 1988, however, found Rahway Valley trains in the charge of restored New York, Ontario, and Western NW2 number 116. This engine really is the original O&W 116. When the railroad was abandoned in 1957, the engine was sold to the New York Central and survived through Penn Central and Conrail to be sold to a D.O. director who had it repainted into original O&W colors. The E8s, by the way, were stored at the Kenilworth Engine House by New Jersey Transit, pending delivery to an individual in Ohio. We are now ready to